In 7th grade, I wanted to create videos on YouTube. No niche, no plan, just a spark. But then came the excuses. No camera, no mic, no perfect setup. So I waited and did nothing. By 11th, I had a mic, a Redmi phone, a laptop, a tripod, everything I thought I needed. Still I didn't start. Why? Because overthinking had become my full-time job. Now it's 2025, I'm graduating after 4 years of my college and somehow I'm still asking the same question. Why haven't I started yet? Now it's story time, because this is what I really wanted to do. So sit back, find a quiet place and listen to the whole story. In 2023, I bought an iPhone 14, not just for style or selfies, but to create, to film my life, to finally start my YouTube journey. But from day one, I was full of doubt. I kept asking myself, can I even do this? Will my filming be good enough? Editing, speaking, who's going to listen to me? Still I started. I wasn't sure what to create, so I began copying the content I consumed. Infotainment channels like Dhruv Rathi, Gaurav Thakur, Formally Gets at Fly Science and many more. I made at least 3 videos, but there was no spark. I didn't feel connected. It didn't feel like me. मैं सोचता ही रह गया और दूसरे लोग क्रिएट करते रहे, पर अब मैंने डिसाइड किया कि सोचने से ज़्यादा करना है. That's when it hit me. I need to understand what I truly want to create, and deep inside, I already know. I have always been drawn to the outdoors, to cultures, people, places. I wanted to document life, not just facts. Creators like Johnny Harris, Joe Hatab and Kanish Gupta, their work inspired me, their editing, their storytelling, their courage. But instead of starting, I just kept preparing, watching tutorials on editing, on filming, on speaking. But मैं हर बार सोचता था बस थोड़ा और सीख लूँ फिर स्टार्ट करूँगा. लेकिन सच ये है, सीखने के चक्कर में मैंने कभी स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया. And that was the worst decision. आज बहुत दिनों बाद मैं बहुत ही सुबह उठ गया. Looking back, here's what truly held me back. Not taking action. I stayed stuck in the planning phase forever. Overthinking. Every small detail became a big roadblock. Multiple interests. I wanted to do everything. Infotainment, travel, commentary, all at once. Self-doubt. Who I am to make videos. Am I even talented enough? Embracing perfection. Perfect video बनाने के चक्कर में मैं वीडियो बनाना ही भूल गया. Not understanding my strength. I didn't know what made me unique. I was too busy comparing. Being too available. I never respect my own time. I said yes to everyone except myself. Fear of failure. More than failing, I feared judgment. What I'm doing now? Things have started to shift. Not all at once, but step by step. I have taken action. Even if it's small, I record, I write, I speak. I am letting go of perfection. I am finding my own voice. My way of telling stories, honest and personal. I'm leaving my comfort zone. Filming in public, talking to the camera, feeling awkward and still doing it. I'm learning by doing, because real learning only happens through experience. I'm working on my language so I can express better, connect deeper and grow as a communicator. कभी कभी लगता है कि मैं रेडी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन अब समझ आ गया है कोई कभी पूरी तरह से रेडी नहीं होता. The biggest lesson I have learned, no one is ever fully ready. Not when they start, not even after a few tries. Readiness isn't something you wait for. It's something you build through action. You grow as you go, not before. So if you are waiting for the perfect gear, for the perfect plan or the perfect version of yourself, start, because the world doesn't need another perfect creator. It needs you, honest, imperfect and brave enough to begin. Start before you're ready.